Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Mailchimp for e-commerce automation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Mailchimp website at mailchimp.com. Click on the Sign Up Free button on the top right corner. Enter your email address in the provided field. Choose a username and a password that meets the security requirements. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. Check your email for a verification link from Mailchimp. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once verified, return to the Mailchimp login page. Enter your email and password to log in. Follow the setup prompts to customize your account. Provide your business name and select the type of business you operate. Indicate the country and address where your business is located. Select your subscription preference for marketing emails. Next, choose your audience size to help tailor your experience. Complete the optional fields regarding your marketing goals. Once all information is filled out, click Continue. You will be prompted to connect your e-commerce platform. Select your e-commerce platform from the provided list. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your store. If your platform requires additional steps, follow those to ensure proper connectivity. Once connected, you can begin setting up automation workflows. Navigate to the Automate tab in your Mailchimp dashboard. Explore available automation options tailored for e-commerce. Choose an automation that suits your business needs. Customize the templates or workflows as per your strategies. Set triggers based on user actions, such as cart abandonment or special promotions. Review your settings and adjust timings if necessary. Save your automated workflows and test them to ensure they function correctly. Monitor your campaigns through the Mailchimp Analytics dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.